Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Are you a tidy person?
Yes, I like to keep my living space tidy, but I'm not a stickler for it.
Question number 2. Are you tidier at home or at work?
I'm at home. I'm usually very focused on my work and school assignments and don't think about cleaning up while I'm there.
Question number 3. Do you think that it is necessary to be tidy?
Yes, I believe that cleanliness is essential. It helps organize your living space and makes it easier to find things. It can also help reduce stress and anxiety.
Question number 4. What do you do to be tidy?
I try to keep my living space organized and clutter-free by putting things away after I use them. I also try to get rid of items that I no longer need or use. I also keep a regular cleaning schedule to keep things under control.
Question number 5. Are your family members tidy?
Yes, the majority of my family members are neat. We all make an effort to keep our living spaces clean and organized.
Question number 6. Do you keep your workplace tidy?
Yes, I make every effort to keep my workplace clean. I try to organize my desk and store any items that aren't in use so that everything has a home. I also try to do a quick cleaning of my workspace every day to keep it tidy.
Question number 7. Do you think people should be tidy all the time?
No, I don't believe it is necessary to be neat all of the time. Everyone has different standards for cleanliness, and it's fine to bend the rules every now and then. However, it is critical to develop good habits and routines to keep your living space organized and tidy. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.